How a day-old chick is handled and how the brooding program is managed has a direct impact on the bird's lifetime productivity. Whether it's indigenous chicken, layers, or broilers, in this video you will learn how to prepare a chick's brooder. How to prepare brooder for day-old chicks, step by step for beginners. The 4 factors to control are 1. Feed, 2. Water, 3. Temperature, 4. Air quality, and finally 5. Hygiene. Brooder preparations are 1. Brooding houses should be kept separate from houses that house older birds. The producer should use an all-in, all-out strategy, never mixing different ages of birds. 2. All facilities must be cleaned and disinfected thoroughly. 3. The brood ring and heaters must be checked before the arrival of the chicks to ensure that they are in working order. 4. Fresh water containing glucose should be offered to chicks upon arrival. The importance of brooding chicks. The hatched chick has not developed the mechanism to regulate its body temperature, so it cannot maintain its body temperature properly for the first few weeks and can easily die due to the cold conditions of the housing. Brooding management is primarily concerned with maintaining the proper temperature for the chicks to ensure their survival. Brooding provides newly hatched chicks with additional heat from an external source. The chicks will not take enough feeds and water if artificial heat is not provided in the chicken house. This causes growth to be slowed and the internal organs responsible for digesting to develop improperly. As a result, the chick will be unable to completely digest the yolk. The egg yolk is a highly nutritious feed for the chicks. As such, if it is not absorbed completely by the chick, there are growth and multiplication bacteria on the yolk leading to early chick mortality and growth retardation. The condition is called ophthalitis or yolk infection. I hope now you have learned how to prepare brooder for successful chicks brooding.
Nice.
Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more of our various farming courses on this channel. Let's learn more to earn more. Cheers!